Namaskar. If you see, Yoga sadhana is more than just a physical exercise. It is a practice that can bring harmony and balance in your hectic life. I have found that dedicating just 5 minutes each day to deep stretching can make a big difference in your health. Today, I am going to share with you 5 asanas that you can include into your daily life. These poses are selected to stretch and strengthen your body and calm your mind. I will guide you in understanding their importance and how to perform them correctly. First, Yogendra Trikonasana II, or a triangle pose. Stand erect with your feet 2.5 feet to 3 feet apart. Feet should be parallel to each other. Raise both your arms from the respective side, palms facing upwards. Turn your right foot outwards. Turn your head to look at the right palm and turn your right palm to face down. Begin to bend towards your right laterally and allow your right hand to reach the right leg without tilting backwards or forward. Looking up, your gaze follows the right hand. In this position, twist your head to look up into your left hand, which is straight up towards your ceiling. Maintain this final position for 6 seconds, suspending the breath. And now, turn your head down, come back to the normal position, and repeat the entire cycle on the left side. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times. This is a traditional asana where your body looks like a triangle. It stretches and tones the muscles along the side of your body. It positively impacts your abdominal and pelvic organs through alternating compression. The next posture is Yogendra Ardhamatsyendrasana, the half spinal twist pose. Sit with your leg extended in front. Now fold your right knee and take your right heel next to your left hip. Take your left foot across the right knee and place it on the ground. Turn your body on the right side. Simultaneously keep your right hand backwards. Hold your right ankle with the left hand. Twist while exhaling. Hold it for some time and then slowly come back to the normal position. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Named after old sage Vatsyendranath, this asana corrects postural defects through lateral twisting of the spine. It also tones and strengthens your abdominal muscles, opens your shoulder, neck and hips, and increase the flexibility of your hips and spine. Now the third posture is Yogendra Dhanurvakrasana, or the bow pose. Here, lie down on your stomach with the hands by the side. Bend your knees and fold your legs towards the back. Now with both the hands, grasp the ankles of your legs. Inhaling, raise your head upwards and simultaneously raise your both legs upwards. This is how, arching the spine, try to keep both legs together. While retaining your breath, maintain the position for 6 seconds. Inhaling, lower the legs and head and come back to the starting position. Do this Dhanurvakrasana twice or thrice. The final position of this asana looks like a bow. A bow represents flexibility as well as strength. This improves spinal flexibility and opens your chest, neck and shoulder. It also strengthens the muscles of your back as well as abdomen. Our fourth asana is Yogendra Halasana, or plow pose. Lie on your back with both hands on the side and both legs together. While inhaling, raise both your legs together, forming a right angle to the body. While exhaling, you may bend your knees a bit to raise your body upwards or keep them straight. Use your hands for support. Continue exhaling and lower your legs towards and beyond your head in a semicircular arch to touch the toes to the floor. The hand remains in the static position on the sides. However, you may use your hand to support the hips as you raise yourself up, and once the legs are in place, bring your hand down to the starting position. The legs should remain straight. You may even clasp your hands in the final position. Maintain the final posture, suspending your breath for 6 seconds. Inhaling, now lift the legs up and lower your hips. With the help of your hands required, bending the knees. And then bring back your legs gently to the starting position. This posture is done static, so do once or maximum twice. This pose resembles a plow and offers numerous benefits. It stretches your spine completely and tones your abdominal muscles while stimulating the abdominal organs. It also helps release constipation, obesity, sexual disability, menstrual disorders, and even spinal rigidity. Finally, we will practice Yogendra Paryankasana, the seat pose. For Paryankasana, sit in Vajrasana. Spread your feet apart, trying to keep your knees together. Sit in the space created between your feet. Inhaling, lean backward with the help of your elbows and forearms and lie supine. Interlace your fingers and hold your hands above abdomen. Maintain the posture with normal rhythmic breathing till comfortable, but not more than 2 minutes. Exhaling, return to the starting position, taking the help of your hands. This pose can be practiced by everybody, but it is the best pose to meet the unique needs of women by promoting the health of the pelvic viscera and genital organs. Besides this, it stretches and massages your abdomen and pelvic muscles. It improves blood circulation. Now, I would like to share some holistic tips to enhance your asana practices. Pay attention to your breath throughout the practice. Deep conscious breathing can actually increase the benefits of each asana, bringing in more oxygen to your muscles and calming your nervous system. Drink water half an hour before and after your practice, because hydrated muscles are more flexible and less prone to injury. Take light, balanced diet, rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, and proteins to support your body's ability to stretch and recover. Always make sure that you give rest to your body for sufficient time. Lastly, include a prayer or a positive affirmation into your practice to achieve deeper, calmer state of mind. Each of these asanas, when practiced regularly, can bring wonderful benefits. Just 5 minutes of these deep stretches daily can change your life, making you more balanced, more flexible, and relaxed. Remember, it is not about perfection of each pose, but about better health and mind. Namaskar.